Pet test for wellness, no needles. No lab visits. No vet bills. Now you can access insights into your fur baby's wellness without barriers. By analyzing strands of their hair, UCARI's Pet Intolerance at Home test can provide you with comprehensive findings about your pet's diet and well-being. Discover what external sources are causing your pet to itch, sneeze, experience digestive issues, and more. This is not an allergy test. It identifies possible imbalances, intolerances, sensitivities. Learn more from results. Unlike a dog urine test kit or cat DNA test, which only pinpoint general breed health concerns, our at-home test provides results about how your furry friend's diet and environment are affecting the quality of their life. This is not a cat or dog DNA test kit that identifies breed. Screen for 1,000 plus possible intolerances. To help you make informed decisions about your pet's lifestyle, we use trusted bioresonance technology to compare their unique frequency against 350 plus foods, 100 plus common pet care ingredients, 300 plus environmental factors, and 400 plus potential nutritional imbalances. UCARI's sensitivity test can help identify a beef, shellfish, or gluten intolerance, sensitivities to grass, pollen or fabric, and identify nutritional imbalances. Easy to use. After receiving your UCARI pet testing kit, register their unique kit ID online. Follow the instructions for collecting hair sample, mail it using the prepaid envelope. Our Florida-based lab will compare the electromagnetic signals from the sample against an encyclopedic database to identify possible intolerances. 24 to 48 hours after your sample is received back in the mail from the USPS, you'll receive a text message or email notifying you that the results are ready for review. Non-invasive animal test. We recognize that pets are family. That's why UCARI has developed an ouch-less way to gain insight into what our pets wish they could tell us. Bioresonance testing with hair isn't affected by stress levels, so we discover findings with greater accuracy. Our medically validated results are color-coded for easy reading and come with actionable advice to help you and your vet to create an effective nutrition, wellness and medical program for your pet. Top reviews from the United States. Helped my cat with his itching. My cat has suffered with over-grooming for a few years and it's been hard to track down the source. Tried flea medication, pheromone spray, calming treats, etc. This test helped me identify ingredients in his food that he has sensitivities to. Since then, I've eliminated certain ingredients from his food and his patches of fur have grown back. He's also in a better mood, not waking me up all night meowing at the door, so this has been a godsend.